This video help, we're going to be going to the Property Management drop-down, and we're going to go to the Property Owner List View screen. The Property Owner List View screen has the primary information about the address, the owner type and owner, name, management date, and managed by if it's a management company. As with the other list view screens, you can go ahead and use the Find by going into the Start Find mode. And if you go ahead and put in, for example, I'm going to put in a date, August the 4th. And then go ahead and say do the find by Perform Find. Then it finds that record. If I return all the records, there's only two, I can also do the highlighted record as far as omitting it, like we showed in the past screens, or I can omit multiples where I go in and pick a range of particular records to go ahead and hide from the screen so I can print it. Now on the iPad or on this screen, you can go ahead and use your menu at the top if it's a desktop version to print the records shown here in this list view. Or on the iPad, there is a gear in the upper corner of the FMGO app where you click on that and say print. You have the option when you say print to pick prior to that the number or the type of records that you want to do in a find, so those records in selection are the only ones printed. The same thing is true of a report. If you want to do a report, you can click on the gear and say print, and then have pre-sorted or pre-select information to be displayed that you want to print. Or in the case on the iPad, you can go ahead and send this as a PDF or put it in directly to an email and send the image that you have on the screen in an email. You also can use a wireless printer like a Air printer or the HP printer where it has a wireless capability. There are other ones, but those are the primary ones that most people use. And that will actually work when you're in the iPad to print as a remote printer over the wireless network right to the printer that you have in your office. If you're on the cloud and using this on the cloud where you have multiple users, you can also print to a local printer or you can print to the parent printer at the location if you have a connection to it over the network. So if you have questions like printing or those other questions, you can always contact me and I can answer those questions for you. Thank you.